Hello, I'm the Bento Buster in Tokyo, and this is one way to make a Japanese-style hot sando, aka toasted sandwich. You'll need one slice of bread, and step one is the butter on one side only. Oh, and don't be stingy, spread on a liberal amount of butter. By the way, the softer the butter, the better, or you could use olive oil. And as you can see, I'll be using my 4W1H Hot Sando Maker. This Hot Sando Maker is brand new and requires no electricity. And all you need to heat it up is, I don't know, a campfire, a flame, or in my case, a portable burner or something. There are two connected parts and it just opens and closes like this. Pretty simple, huh? Now it's time to place the bread inside the Hot Sando Maker, butter side down. Which results in a beautiful, crispy, golden brown sandwich. Bit of a no-brainer, right? But that said, I have seen so many people put the bread in butter side up, which makes no sense at all. Okay, now the next step is to fill it up with the fillings. Filling-wise, you can fill it up with anything, the mind boggles. But today, I'm going to play it safe. A bit of onion, sauerkraut, chubby wiener, and a bit of mustard. Have you seen this before? This is Japanese mustard, and I tell you what, it does have a bit of a kick. So you have been warned. The trick is not to overload it, so that should be enough to fit inside the little compartment. Next, give the filling a wee push to make sure that everything's sealed in there nicely, then close it up. And there you are, the Hot Sando Maker is now locked and loaded. And now we're ready to get toasting. Place the Hot Sando Maker over a small flame and wait patiently. Flip it over from time to time and wait patiently. Give it a check from time to time and wait patiently again. And finally, ta-da! A beautiful, piping hot, crispy, golden brown hot sando, or as I like to call it, a toasted sandwich. Now take a look at that. That is perfection. Well, hopefully it is. And I tell you what, it does live up to the name Hot Sando because it's burning my fingers. Excuse me while I get rid of these little crispy bits that we don't need. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the amazing Japanese hot sando, which uses only one slice of bread to make a toasted sandwich. I love the color, I love the branding, I love the shape and the little ripples in the crust. This thing is just so, I have to say it, cute. In a previous video, you probably have seen the electrical version of this, and to be quite frank, I don't know which one's better. The electric version is much quicker, but it does use electricity, and this one doesn't, so there you go. Now, is this actually a hot sando, or a hot toasted sandwich, or a hot pocket, or, in fact, a pie? Well, I guess I'll just have to leave that up to you to decide for yourselves. But, whatever it is, it's hot and, delicious. Yep, it's definitely hot. So, there you go, guys, another version of the Japanese Hot Sando Maker, which uses only one slice of bread. Pretty amazing, huh? Yep, totally dinky and delicious. By the way, I made one the other day using my electric toaster. My filling of choice was keema curry, and I tell you what, it was more like a pie. It was fabulous. Anyway, if you do come across one of these, why not get it? Because in my experience, they work and they are awesome. There you go. Thank you for watching. I'm the Bento Buster in Tokyo, Japan. And if you like and subscribe, that will make me very happy indeed. Catch you next time.